The information found in this video and related presentation is provided by the Retirement Research Foundation and is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video should be considered to be tax or investment advice. Welcome. Thanks for joining me here at the Retirement Research Foundation. I'm Daniel Rondberg, and with me is Ben Skinner from Taylor Skinner Law. Ben, so glad to have you here today. What I want to start with, Ben, is if you could tell us a little bit about your background, what you do, where you really specialize, and how you help clients in your firm in Mesa.
You bet. I've been an attorney since about 2004, and I practiced in a variety of areas, including litigation, courtroom fights, and then that's led into a really kind of a practical background that helps me in estate planning because I know what works and what doesn't work in documents. I've got a great partner, my brother-in-law, working for a firm that was started by my father-in-law about 25, almost 30 years ago.
Wow.
Now, and so we've been pretty much doing the same thing for a long time here in the East Valley. So it's a family affair, and it's been a great practice for me.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Let's jump right in. Here's a question that I didn't ask you when we were warming up, but you get these offers for document preparers all the time, and I know I don't want to create like a wage war against document preparers and stock documents versus attorneys. But can you talk to the importance of working with a qualified attorney versus a document preparer? What may be the difference and why people want to be aware of that?
Good question. And plus, there's been this rise of the online form preparers too, like LegalZoom and some of these other ones,
right,
that are really a one-size-fits-all kind of a document. And they can work if you happen to be the size that fits into that set of documents. But the problem with them is you get no legal advice, you get no customization for your situation, and you're really taking some pretty significant risks, and you're not saving that much money. People are often surprised at how affordable estate planning work is with a lawyer. So I highly recommend getting legal advice. Definitely.
Well said. That's a great point. It's one size fits all, and you may not be that size. I've never heard that expression before, but that makes a lot of sense. Everybody's situation is unique, and then I think having that personal touch of being able to pick up the phone and call. I mean, you've seen so many times when somebody's actually in it, when they're picking up and taking care of what those documents are supposed to do, you really want that attorney on your side. Plus, I think for me, you guys actually spend time in probate courts.
Yes.
So document preparers and online services, you don't know if they're actually seeing the courts and what documents hold up. And
that's a very good point. They don't get to see the consequences of what they've done. Now, granted, some of these document preparers are former attorneys, they're paralegals, or some of them are excellent, but they don't have that practical back-end experience, like you said. That's a good point.